Hi, welcome to DIY for Beginners by PK. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like it and thumbs up. What we're going to be doing today is looking at fixing a timber post to a block wall. Okay, same principle. If you're going to do any timber bearer, fixing to a block work structure or concrete structure. Okay, so let's go. You can see the fence has dropped down there. Okay, so what we're going to do is refix the post to the wall. As you can see, they've done it with a nail before, so we'll fix it through with some bolts. Yeah, so let's go. Fix your line, all right, so you know how much you got to lift the post by. Okay. Yeah. So you can fix that. Put a screw in either side. All right. Wrap your line around and pull it tight. Make sure it's tight, so you'll have a sag in the middle otherwise. Okay. Okay, now what you want to do is you've got to get the fixings, okay, 10mm fixings. What you want to look at, this is the existing block wall, okay, a block wall, this is, the thickness is 4 inch, okay, this is 2 inch, alright, so you want to be going in about at least 2 inches into the block work, alright, that's a good fixing. You don't want it too long, otherwise it's going to blow the block to the other side, alright, so get your wood bit ready, just put your 10mm holes into the wood, okay, so leave it about 6 inches from the bottom, alright. Alright, so then do your hole there, just a bit below, 30mm below where your timber is. Alright, okay. So now you're ready, you got your markers ready to lift it up and reel. Okay, so you know how much it's got to go up by, alright, so lift your fence panel. Okay, ideally you can have 2 people there, but we've only got one. Pilot hole, alright. Make sure you got your depth of your bolt. So take it at the same depth and a little bit more. And mark that up with a bit of tape. Alright. Put the tape on. Okay, so.
Is that thing switched on now?
Yep. I'll push that up. Okay, and then push it. There we have it. That's the hole drilled in the block wall ready. Alright, so we're going to pop the screw bolt in, yeah, or thunderbolt I sometimes call them. This one, yeah, you just drill a hole and this actually cuts the thread in the block work for you, okay?
It's a lot bigger.
Okay, so line it up, okay, and tighten that up to the socket, okay? And you feel it grabbing in. Pull in inside that into the wall. Okay. Okay. So let's do the other one. The top one now. Right.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, ready for the other bolt then. Alright. Again, feel it pull in. Okay. Okay. So there we have, fixed the timber to the wall. Alright, and the fence is secure. Okay, so don't forget, you'll need a 12mm drill bit, alright, and for the 10mm thunderbolt or screw bolt, alright, so thanks for watching, DIY for Beginners by PK. Please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.